Hello everybody. I am an Iranian university professor. I'm visiting Netherlands. I visited some of the small exhibitions that shows many suppositions to the Uyghur minorities, Muslim Uyghur in the China. I studied about the history of this area and know about the rich cultural civilization and intermixture with our region. And unfortunately, in last year, their land, their territory has been occupied, and many of the changes have imposed in this historical area. Unfortunately, there has been some pressures culturally, and they are trying to change the formation of the population there. Many of these people who live there, in fact, have come from the other territories, and this is motherland for these Uyghurs, and I respect to, they are peaceful efforts to have a better situation, and hope to that all human and human rights institutions and the populations respect them, support them, and create them for a better situation for their life. Thank you very much.